My Latif and wife out to drive in this open parking lot. This is not the car we're recommending. Hey, what are you doing? Why you on the gas, bro? Wait, don't move. Don't move. No, it's YouTube. Why is my seat so far back? No, if you gotta ask questions, ask it for YouTube.
This is the
Why you
right?
why you driving?
This one
Why you driving
one?
with no shoes on?
What's the
No, put your shoes on.
on.
You have to learn, dude. You have to practice the way you're gonna practice for the driving test. Put your shoes back on.
I don't like it.
Put your shoes on, please. The grader, when you go to driving school, the grader is not gonna allow you to drive with shoes off. You should have put on some more comfortable shoes. You knew you was about to drive. It's common sense. Now, when you get your license, you won't have to drive with shoes. Right now, you don't have shoes. You don't have a license.
Gosh.
Hurry up.
I don't do shit.
I have my license. You the one that need it. Common sense. Which one comes first, gas or brake?
Brake. So this is the brake, right?
Yes. Wait, what are you doing? That's the gas, the other one.
Well,
what
I'm
you
about
do?
to go.
Put it all the way down. Or you gonna destroy the transmission. All the way. Alright, now put it in drive. Is it in D?
Yes.
Move the car.
Gosh, you're so annoying.
Drive.
Oh.
Dude, stop hitting the gas so hard. Dude, put your foot on the gas, but don't floor it. Dude, drive. Turn the signal, left turn the signal like you finna turn. Look both ways.
There's no cars.
Dude, it don't matter.
Okay, I see what
Can you start gassing the car? Drive.
How do you want me to drive if I don't press on the gas?
You pressing too hard, you jerking me. If I'm the grader, I feel disrespected. So
Check your ass out, car then.
stop using profanity in my video. Hey, pay attention. Don't hit the building right here, dude. I'm gonna need you to make a left turn. Stop. Look left and look right as if you was turning the intersection. Did you look this way?
Yes, I did.
You didn't look good. Okay, right now you sitting at an A minus. I'm literally gonna take points. Don't go by them cars over there. Turn in the middle of these cars. Left turn. Damn, that sun bright. Put the thing on. Put the thing on so the sun won't blind you.
I don't want to.
I don't trust you driving this 485 horsepower car.
Find it.
Can you like drive like?
Find it.
Unfortunately, you at a small park, so I'm gonna make you back up to a parking spot too. So right now, I'm gonna need you to stop for me, please, and put the car in park. Thank you. No, wait. I'm gonna make you back up into a spot. So hold tight.
I can't see it.
Hush. You're gonna have a backup camera. Come park over here in the line. Get in the line. Come on. Stop. Oh God, you suck. Oh my God, girl, what are you doing to my car? Did y'all just see how my shit just bounced? Damn it, turn, girl. Oh, you suck ass, bro. Turn this way. Oh, you suck. Oh my God. She got an F. You definitely got an F. Stop. Roll the window down. What the hell, bro? You got an F. You failed. You failed.
Let's go again.
No, pull into the spot and stop. Pull in the stop right now. Stop. Come back up into this orange spot over here. Back up into this parking spot. Come on. No, I said back in. What are you doing? Come back here. Hey. Oh, you get on my damn nerves. No, back up over here in these lines. Get in between both of these lines. Oh, you gotta do that again. Go pull up and back in straight. Get off the other person's line. Go. Get your ass. You already got an F minus. What else could you get? Go up. You can't see the line. You gotta hold. You have a backup camera. If you can't use the mirrors, use that. Pull up. Pull up, please. You in. Lord have mercy. Come on between these two lines. Turn to the right. Turn to the right. Turn to the right. Turn to the right. You turn it too slow, you're not gonna make it. Go back to the front. Go. Your suck ass. Go. I'll try it again. Come on, to the right. In between the lines. That 305 is big. Turn to the right. Hard right. What are you doing? I said to the right, you turn it to the left. No. I said in between the orange is between the white lines. Go up. You have a long day, honey. You already got an F. What else could you get? Look at me in the mirror. Turn. This white line. This white line. Nah, in the middle. Turn. 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 Straighten the wheel. Slow down. Come back some more. Come back some more. Come back some more. Come back some more. Stop. Park.
That was the same thing I was going for.
I bet. Go drive over there. Drive over there and turn around. Come stop to me. Do not go fast. Not playing with you. Go that way. Oh Lord, women in muscle cars. That thing is loud. She got that little turtle suit on, y'all. Look at her. Oh Lord, she gassing it up. Watch out for the Impala. Slow down. Come back to me. Watch out for that car right there. Come over here to me. Stop. Stop, Moso. What's the next for you? They got other cars that want to come over here and shit. Make a left turn. Make a left turn. Go out over there and come back and stop right here. Make a left turn. Go over there. Turn around and stop right here. I bet it. Look. Drive over there. Come here. And you're going to back up to this parking spot where I'm standing at. Drive out over there. When you come out, turn. Go over there. Come over here. And you'll come back up where I'm at. Don't drive fast and avoid other cars. You are not ready for this kind of power yet. Go. Nah, if I hit that damn catch up ones. Is she gonna be able to make that? Come on. That thing is big. Come on. Go back up. I said the white lines, Moso, the white lines. Go. I'm gonna need some damn gas. I got like 60 miles of empty shit. Stop. Come straight back. Straight back. Straighten up, straighten up, straighten up. Look at your lines. There you go. Slow down. Come back, Moso. Stop. Not gonna do it again by yourself. I ain't gonna tell you nothing. This time, this is your grade. If you get on top of this line, you fail and we leaving regardless. So you either can pass with a C. I'm gonna give you a C minus. Or you, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm gonna park.
Who told you to park? Who instructed me and you? What are you doing?
Go.
No, you're gonna do it again. This time, I want you to go around all the way over there. Don't go by that silver car and come over here and stop. Then we're gonna go.
Go where?
Huh? We're gonna leave. We're going home.
I'm not done. We just got here.
Mosa, you got the memo. You driving on the public road, not in this kind of car. I don't trust you. Maybe on a day the traffic not bad. People, it's Friday. Go around for me. Go. Don't hit that wall, girl. Damn, my shit clean. Come on. Come on, Mosa. Damn. You in park?